Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from the usual stuff you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with complicated tech details or boring stuff you don't care about, just to stretch this to 15 minutes, I'll cut to the chase and tell you which are the best VPNs for public Wi-Fi right now, plus a few key things about each, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the tech geeks like me, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my entire research doc for free and dive as deep as you want, all year long. No joke. Let's just jump right into it. Here are the top 3 VPN services for public Wi-Fi and why. First up, NordVPN is by far the best VPN for public Wi-Fi. Why? Because it easily works on any public hotspot, which, let's be honest, is super important. Speed. It's seriously one of the fastest I've tested. Low lag, no disconnects, 0 packet loss, plus solid download and upload speeds. Features. It offers the most comprehensive feature set. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, they've got it. Pricing and support. Affordable for what you get, and their customer support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, absolutely no logs. What about encryption? They use top-tier encryption tech. Overall, super easy to use, fast, rock-solid security, and reasonably priced for all the extras you get. Negatives? The only downside is it has a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for public Wi-Fi is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense, performance-focused VPN built for smooth and secure connections on public networks. Speed. Lightning fast with steady low lag. No weird slowdowns or packet drops, just consistent smooth browsing and streaming. Features. Has everything you need, like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which lets you route only certain apps through the VPN. Perfect if you want to keep some traffic outside the VPN while on public Wi-Fi. Pricing and support. Great bang for your buck. Usually cheaper than competitors, but with top-level performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No logs at all. They've even had an independent audit to prove it. What about encryption? They use AES 256, which is the best there is. Negatives, it's US-based, which might worry privacy enthusiasts, though their no-logs audit is solid. Their server network is also a bit smaller compared to others. Overall, simple, fast, secure, and perfect if you want to set it and forget it VPN for public Wi-Fi. Third best VPN for public Wi-Fi is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers probably the biggest server network and the most customizable settings of these 3. Speed. Very good speeds, thanks to tons of servers, meaning you can almost always find a nearby uncrowded one. Features. Loaded with extras like a kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support. Typically the cheapest premium VPN on this list. Support is decent and professional. Do they keep logs? No, and their no-logs policy has been proven in court. What about encryption? They use the best encryption tech and you can customize it too. Negatives? Same as IPVanish, it's US-based and the app interface isn't as sleek as the other 2. Overall, a dependable, transparent, and powerful VPN. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want tons of servers and advanced options. And that's a wrap. My top 3 VPNs for public Wi-Fi. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Truth is, you really can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because of the logo or color, you'll be good to go because all 3 work perfectly for keeping your public Wi-Fi connections safe and private. Quick recap before we finish. Pick NordVPN if you want the absolute best VPN for public Wi-Fi, with a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, fast, set it and forget it VPN that delivers amazing value for the price on public networks. Pick PIA if you want a budget-friendly VPN with a massive network and lots of advanced features for your public Wi-Fi protection. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste time searching. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best deal. Thanks for watching. Go pick one and drop a comment telling me which you chose. Have an awesome day or night. Bye.